Have you ever been in a situation where someone walks up to you and says, "Hey, what's up?" But your brain and you absolutely freeze. You smile awkwardly and say something like, nothing much. And then you both are standing there staring at each other with painful silence. Sounds familiar? Trust me, I have been there too. See, here's the thing, small talk isn't really small. It's actually a doorway to real conversations, to making new friends, to speaking in English confidently. And that's exactly what we are going to learn today. Yes, today I'm going to break down the unspoken rules of small talk where you will learn to transform awkward hellos and highs into smooth conversations. So, are you ready? Let's start. Rule number one, start light, not deep. See, small talk is like testing the water before jumping into the pool. Do not go and start your questions like, "What are your thoughts on global warming?" or "What was your childhood trauma?" No, absolutely not. Do not do that. Instead, you can try these simple ones. Number one, how is your day going? Number two, the traffic is terrible today. Did you get stuck? And number three, the weather is really nice. What do you think? See, these conversation starters are really simple, plain, and relatable. They get the other person to talk naturally without any hesitation or thinking too much. Also, here's a tip. Topics like weather, movies, favorite color, food are always the winner on the conversation table. Rule number two, the magic of open ended questions. See, open ended questions are like magical gateways to fluent conversations. Yes, and trust me, they are far more better than those yes and no questions because they are like an absolute conversation killer. Let me explain with the help of an example. You ask someone, "Do you like music?" Now, the answer has only two possibilities, yes or no. Absolute conversation killer. Instead, you can ask, "What kind of music do you like?" Now, the answer has endless possibilities. The person can say, "I like regional music, I like traditional music, I like Hollywood music." The answers are limitless. And here's a pro tip, always start with how, what, and why. And you will be surprised to see how quickly people open up. Moving on to rule number three, listen more than you speak. Now, most people think that small talk is all about keeping the conversation going, to talk continuously. No, not at all. That's not true. The actual secret is listening. Because when you hear someone carefully, you hear them genuinely, you react naturally. You give an honest reaction, and the person feels heard, and there is an instant connection. For example, someone told you, "I just started learning guitar." So the next thing or next question you can ask them is, "Oh, that's great. Acoustic or electric?" And boom, a conversation has started. And here's a pro tip, always use follow up questions because that's how you take your small talk to real talk. Moving on to rule number four, know when to exit gracefully. Now, this is the ultimate golden rule. Small talks are short, and when you feel they are fading, just end it. Wrap it up and end it smoothly. Here are two phrases that you can use. Number one, "Anyways, I won't keep you long. It was nice chatting to you." Number two, "Catch you later." See, this leaves things on a positive note and quite open for the next time. You don't need to drag that awkward silence. Moving on to rule number five, don't panic in pauses. See, every conversation has certain pauses, and that's completely okay. But the only difference is that confident people do not freak out when they pause. For example, you are talking and suddenly there is a 3-second pause. So in that time, you can sip your coffee, put your hair back, or look around and then bring the topic back to the conversation very smoothly with a smile. You can use simple phrases like, "So anyway, what were we talking about?" Or, "By the way, have you heard?" See, these simple sentences help you to pick up from where you left. Don't think of pauses as the end of conversation. Think of them as breathing space. Don't treat them like full stops. Treat them like commas. And that was all for this video. Just remember, small talk isn't about perfect English. It's all about connection. So next time you see someone new, just use one of these rules and you will see how smooth your conversation was. And hey, if you want to practice these unspoken rules with someone patient and friendly, then you can do this on the Ingvarta app. On the Ingvarta app, you get to practice with live English experts on a daily basis and they will help you with your overall fluency. So, download the app now. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe button for more such amazing content. I will see you super soon with another video. Till then, bye bye, take care and happy learning.